In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GetResponse to set up your first email campaign in just a few clicks. Let's start right from the beginning. First, log into your GetResponse account and give it a second to load your main dashboard. This dashboard is your control center. From here, you can access all of your email marketing tools. But for now, we'll stay focused on creating a simple, clean email campaign as quickly as possible. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the main navigation and click on Tools. Then choose Email Marketing. This is where all your newsletters and one-off email campaigns will live. Think of it as the home base for the messages you send to your subscribers. On the email marketing page, you'll see an option to create something new. Click the Create Newsletter button. This tells GetResponse that you're starting a fresh email that you want to send out to your list. Next, you'll be asked how you want to build this newsletter. Choose the By Myself tile. This option gives you more direct control over your content, while still letting you take advantage of templates so you don't have to design everything from scratch. Now it's time to configure the basic details. Enter an internal name for your campaign so you can easily recognize it later. Then, type in your subject line. Try to make it clear and compelling, because this is what your subscribers will see in their inbox. When that's ready, click Add Recipients and select the email list or lists you want this message to go to. Take a moment to double-check you're choosing the right audience. After that, click Design Message. You'll be taken to the design area where you can select a pre-designed template. These templates save you a lot of time and usually look great on both desktop and mobile. Pick a layout that fits the type of message you're sending, then click Next. You'll now see the editor with your chosen template. Since we're focusing on the fewest possible clicks, you can skip making changes here for now and simply click the Next button in the top right corner to finalize the setup. On the final screen, review your details one more time. When you're ready, choose whether you want to send immediately or schedule for later. Click your preferred option, and your first GetResponse email campaign is good to go.